Hi guys, welcome back to Pole Position Car Care. In today's video, I'm going to show you what my mini valet consists of. I begin by removing all floor mats and other items from the car. Then I vacuum all seats and footwells throughout the car, finishing with the floor mats. This car's actually not long had a full valet carried out, so it's in a pretty good state already. So the mini valet was ideal to get it back looking spotless again. All interior trim areas are cleaned and wiped down to remove dirt and dust. The interior is finished off by cleaning the glass and applying an air freshener throughout. Moving on to the exterior, I begin by pressure washing all areas of the car to remove loose dirt and other contaminants. I then spray wheel cleaner on all wheels of the car and wash them with a range of brushes. All areas of the car are then washed, starting at the top and moving to the lower, more dirty areas. After the car has been dried, all door shuts and sills are cleaned with a microfiber towel. And finally, to finish off, tyre dressing is applied and all exterior glass is cleaned.